a person tried to prove he's got no fear, then you've seen him. He will tell you all the sweet and lovely things you long to hear, but he don't mean them. Then he went undercover and found the new lover when things didn't work out his plan. First he's treating you right, then he's gone every night. That's a cold-hearted man. And if you've ever known a person who was not afraid to steal, then you've known him. Keeps his fortune in an envelope at home that makes him feel a lot less lonesome. He got some old family money, he stole all the rest. We're all doing the best if we can. Ought to share what he's got, he would much rather not. That's a cold-hearted